guys, Namaskar, I'm Ronit and welcome back to my channel, The Bong Connection. Today I'm going to react to the official trailer for Bhuj, The Pride of India. This stars Ajay Devgan, Sonakshi Sinha, Sanjay Dutt, Amy Virk and Nora Fatehi in leading roles. Wow, star-studded cast. And this is directed by Abhishek Dudhaiya. First of all, I'm happy that Sonakshi Sinha is making a comeback and I'm interested to see what Nora has done in this film, because first of all it seems like Nora is doing a full-fledged role in this movie. So excited about that. Okay, please ignore the background noise. If you hear a child crying, that's not my child and I have nothing to do with him. That's my nephew. So yeah, he cries a lot. Oh my god. Anyway guys, let's react to this trailer. This is directed by Abhishek Dudhaiya. And here is my reaction in 3, 2, 1 and go. So is this the Bhuj earthquake?
भुज एयरबेस पर पाकिस्तानी वायुसेना ने जोरदार हमला करके रनवे और एयरबेस दोनों तोड़ दिए।
पाकिस्तानी सेना को रोकने का कोई तो रास्ता होगा।
एक ही रास्ता है।
मराठा सिर्फ दो ही बात जानता है, मारना या मरना।
Nice to see Ajay Devgan.
क्यों जंग का ऐलान है? आज खुदा खुद परेशान।
भगवान कृष्ण ने कहा है, किसी की जान बचाने के लिए की गई हिंसा धर्म है।
आओ हम सब मिलकर खुद से वादा करें।
विक्रम से टेक ऑफ करने वाले हैं। हम तो फायरिंग।
पाकिस्तानी सेना 100 टैंकों की रेजिमेंट के साथ 1800 सैनिक लेकर रात 11 बजे तक पहुंच जाएंगे।
पाकिस्तान का पर्चा।
अब कच्छ और भुज की सुरक्षा आप ही के हाथों में।
हमें अपनी पोजीशंस चेंज करनी है।
ताजमहल प्यार की निशानी
तो हिंदुस्तान तेरे बाप की कहानी है।
जब तक भुज एयरफील्ड पर विजय कार्णिक रनवे रिपेयर नहीं कर लेते, तब तक हमें दुश्मन को रोकना होगा।
खेल कर।
या खुदा, तेरी अदालत में मेरी एक जमानत रखना। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, मेरे हिंदुस्तान को सलामत रखना।
Yes, Nora.
है लिए हथियार दुश्मन ताक में बैठा उधर, और हम तैयार हैं सीना लिए अपना इधर। खून से खेलेंगे होली, घर वतन मुश्किल में है। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है।
Okay.
जब तक सूरज चंदा चमके, तब तक ये हिंदुस्तान रहे।
आज इसी हिंदुस्तान के लिए हमें लड़ना है और अगर जरूरत पड़ी तो बलिदान देना है।
जिस दिन लड़ाई जीतूंगा, उसी दिन पगड़ी पहनूंगा।
मेरे मरने का मातम मत करना। मैंने खुद ये शहादत चुनी है। मैं जीता हूं मरने के लिए। मेरा नाम है सिपाही।
So what are my thoughts about this film's trailer? First of all, the actors are phenomenal. The cast of this film is phenomenal. Like I didn't know the Shahid Kelkar was also there. He's definitely playing a very prominent role here. And we can see the different people coming together as a force and fighting against the enemy, you know. We have a story for Nora Fatehi, we have a story for Ajay Devgan, we have a story involving Amy Virk, Sanjay Dutt, then Sonakshi Sinha, also Shahid Kelkar. So these are different stories, but they are all coming together somehow, and you know, they are fighting against the common enemy. So the concept is very interesting. It is also based on very few interesting events that occurred in 1971. But what seemed to me a little bit superficial was the VFX. It was a little out of place for me. It's just me. I'm not saying that the VFX has to be perfect, and I know that they have a long way to go till they make the VFX perfect, but it still looks a little bit over the top, the VFX. I think the blast scenes, the burning scenes, they seem a little over the top. So I'm not sure about that. What I really enjoyed was the fact that there were good scenes of these actors where they can shine. Like, I love the fact that Sonakshi Sinha also got a prominent role. She is definitely playing a very strong character here. At the same time, I also see Noora Fatehi doing some work. Like, she is definitely given a lot of screen time. She has a really good storyline. We can see that, and her acting can be seen here. She is also saying some dialogues. I'm really happy for her that finally she's making a comeback and she's actually acting in a film. Her role seems, her story seems very interesting for me, and I want to know what is going on. Ajay Devgan, as usual, you don't need to say anything about Ajay Devgan or Sanjay Dutt. Even Shahid Kelkar. I think Shahid Kelkar is a phenomenal actor, very underrated but very phenomenal actor. I think we need to look out for him. Sanjay Dutt, Ajay Devgan, veteran, they know their work, they are doing their job, and Ajay Devgan perfectly fits the role of this military officer. He looks great in that uniform. Overall, this looks a power-packed trailer, but at the same time, I'm not sure what to feel about the VFX scenes. That was definitely, for me, the weakest link in this film. Apart from that, I'm really looking forward to this film. I want to know what is going on. It definitely is keeping me intrigued. At the same time, I wish they could have done a better job at the VFX, just nothing. And also the fact that there were a lot of, like, of course it's a Bollywood movie, so of course there will be a lot of dancing and singing. But anyway, I want to know. I'm not sure about the fighting scenes and the war scenes. They seem a little over the top for me. Apart from that, the trailer seems good. I mean, the story seems interesting and the acting seems really great, but I'm not sure how this movie is going to turn out. I really want to watch and I want to know. So let this film release and then we can give our verdict, So yeah, it was a mixed kind of a bag for me. So let me know, what did you think about this trailer down below in the comment section. I would definitely want to know your thoughts and views. This is what I thought, and I hope you respect my opinion. It's just an opinion. I'm not saying this is actually what the movie is all about, but still, that's my trailer opinion. So yeah, if you guys like this reaction, then please put a thumbs up, and I'll do your thoughts and suggestions. Subscribe to my channel, help me reach the 50,000 subscriber mark. I'll be seeing you guys again. Till then, keep liking, subscribing and sharing the love. Ciao.